Vlogmas day one.
Woo!
You guys, it's Vlogmas day one. This is insane. Our second year of Vlogmas. Like,
Yeah.
What the hell?
What?
That's crazy. Excuse
we
my
made
French.
it 10 days last year.
No, we made it 12 days last year of Vlogmas. Our goal is to make it farther than 12 days. Hopefully we'll, I don't know, it's just hard with work and everything, but we're gonna commit to it. We're gonna try and do it, try our best. What better way to start Vlogmas than at Starbucks? So we did not order holiday drinks, so that's kind of a fail, but I was just feeling a plain iced coffee, and Annie doesn't even want coffee today, so. Get iced coffee with soft top foam with like your syrup in it, like toffee nut syrup.
Yeah.
Did you do that once?
I got that, yeah.
Oh.
I got that at Starbucks. You were there. We ordered it, the one down there.
Oh.
They were out of cold brew, so I could do a
Yeah. Oh,
couldn't do a pumpkin cream cold brew, so I ordered a iced coffee.
Yeah.
With pumpkin cream cold foam on top. You.
Have a great day.
You too. See ya.
All right now.
It's a very plain.
Can I have some?
I need to save my sugary drinks until Rachel comes because she loves that.
That's good.
Anyways, the plan for today, we're headed to the office. We have a bunch of Black Friday orders to pack up. I'm about to print out all the orders that came in. Not all of them, probably like a little bit less than half, so that the postman can pick them up. I can get them shipped out today. We have a USPS pickup that comes every day, so I don't want to overwhelm him with a bunch of packages, so I'll do like half of them today, half of them tomorrow type thing. So I just need to make sure the shipping is correct with what the customer selected and the dimensions of the box that the hats and shoes are being sent in are correct. We use a Rollo printer for our labels. It's like the best thing ever. We used to use this big printer for the labels and the packing slips, but the labels go through this printer and it's like a lot easier. You don't have to go buy ink. It's really nice. If anyone needs a printer that you need to print a lot of orders or something with, the Rollo printer is good. Okay, I have all the orders and the packing slips here. This is about half of what came in on Black Friday, so I have to go over and pack them up in the other office. And I'm gonna bring you guys with me. It's not very entertaining, but maybe it is to you. I don't know, we'll see. So my plan of action when we have a bunch of orders to fulfill is pretty much to make all the boxes first and then put the hats in. But since I'm kind of in a rush, I think I might do one by one for right now until the postman comes, so that I can get as many orders shipped out as possible before he gets here. I'm also on the floor because it's just easier to sit here rather than like do it on a desk, in my opinion. But I have all the hats back here, if you can see. Our most popular hat is definitely the green brim on the white hat. If you are familiar with 112s, you probably know what it looks like. This is it. And then we have them in a bunch of different colors. So a lot of these orders are for, honestly, all the styles, but I'm assuming a lot of them are for the green. So let's start packing up. You gotta go over here. Come on, baby. You gotta go over there. Okay, you can watch, okay? So, green tissue paper, packing slip on the way. Packing slip. Are you really intrigued by this? I think he knows the camera's on. He wants to be in the camera. And then shipping label.
Silent night, I only have one wish for the shooting star. Holy night, send me someone to love so I can hold their hand while we're ice skating round the trees in Central Park. Kiss them under the mistletoe. Oh, I want a Christmas kind of spark. Santa Claus, do you know Cupid sent his arrow straight to my heart? Waterfall in all the this Christmas. Santa, that would be the greatest gift of all.
Now I'm packing a pair of shoes. This is the box. Tissue paper, shoe box. And then I'm gonna give them a blue hat. Just kind of gonna throw it in a hat we have, and a pair of socks.
We'll build Frosty the Snowman and dance along with the Christmas band, and then we'll fly like two old lovebirds walking around a winter wonderland.
Just finished packing up the first round of orders. Have to take that box to the post office and then come back for these. You have tape on you, baby. You have a piece of tape on you. Let's go see Buckley. Let's go see Buckley. Let's go see Buckley. Update. Obviously we are not at work anymore. We went to the post office, dropped off all the packages. We had lunch. We had lunch at 4 p.m. So basically dinner. We're gonna go to Home Depot and get lights for the house. We're just gonna go and see what we can find. Our lights in our front yard blew last night. So Andy put up a bunch of lights last night, like over the tree or over the trees and bushes and stuff and the palm tree, and the lights went out. We haven't gone to Home Depot yet because we're just gonna look online to make sure they have what we need before we actually go, since we do have a lot of stuff here. But, so they have Christmas lights by color. What do you think it was gonna be?
The giant blow up.
Yeah, I want to get one of those too. Christmas lights by type. So they have icicle lights, net lights, which fuck up our light outside. I have like the icicle lights. That might look good.
I'd click on those first. And
then also look at, we should do that, a projector light. And have it project like onto the garage and say Grinch. That'd be kind of funny.
Yeah.
What?
Sure.
What do you mean? You put it in the bag.
Okay, we can try.
No, it's okay.
I think if anything, oops. Like where is it? So it has to be staked in.
Yeah.
You stake it in by
the garbage.
No, I think you stake it in where the plugs are gonna be, because you'd never be able to plug it in.
So you'd have to stake it. On second thought, we're gonna pause the Home Depot shop for tonight. We're gonna go tomorrow probably. We have some lights at home right now that we're gonna hang up and just see where we're at and then kind of go from there. We have an idea of what we want to get from Home Depot, but we're gonna wait till tomorrow.
Straight across the top?
Yeah.
Or should I wind them?
Last year you wound them, didn't you?
I think so.
Yeah, it's probably wind.
Okay.
It's also easier, you don't have to tape them.
Okay.
Guys, this backyard's gonna be transformed. Just wait till you can see for the party.
Should I do the tree?
Yeah. Yeah.
Should I do first the tree or the fence? Tree?
Yeah. But we need the ladder.
Indeed.
We have a massive problem. Remember how we said earlier that the outlet in the front wasn't working? It kind of like just stopped working last night when Andy put the lights in. None of the outlets outside are working.
I fixed it.
You did?
Yeah.
How?
The one in the garage was tripped.
Yes! Wait, that's so funny.
Wow.
How? Is that what that little click was? I heard it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. Woo! Problem solved. Andy is a genius.
That's weird timing.
Who is that? Oh, Amazon. It must be Amazon. I was like, who's at our front door? We're getting Amazon packages. That's what it is. Well, Andy fixed the problem. I guess the garage breaker was flipped off. I don't know why, but thank goodness, because we were about to freak out there. All of our lights were
Things are looking up. I got packages. The lights out here look good. Let's go.
Kind of where we're stopping for the night. We got both palm trees lit. The bush is lit. I ordered 2 pairs of shoes from Revolve. Oh my god, this tape is so tight. Can you help me?
That's the hack. You push the side in and then just peel and pull.
This pair is Tony Bianco. I've been looking at these for a while and I haven't bought them, but I finally was like, maybe I'll wear them for the Christmas party. Who knows? They're kind of a lot, but these are the heels. Andy, should I wear these for the Christmas party?
Sure.
They're really cute and I think they'll be easy to walk in because of the platform. And I also like that they have the closed toe because my nails are not done and I don't know if I'm even gonna get a pedicure before the Christmas party. I haven't even thought about that, to be honest. I wanted a white pair of like a pump, like a white pump really bad. I feel like it's just like a necessary shoe that you need to have in your closet. They're like a pointed toe, very cute. Got these in a size 7.5 because I saw people saying to size a half size down because they slip, your heel slips out. So I'm hoping the 7.5 fits. I might put these on right now just because I want to see. What are you doing? He's literally up there hanging lights on the cabinet. He's in full Christmas party mode, right?
I'm just testing it out.
Well, that's cute. So what, we need to go to Target and get more of those lights because that's where we got those ones. Okay. I think they're actually perfect.
Thank God.
You can't see. Also, these two bags behind me are all clothes that are going to Goodwill, so just ignore them. Can you see? This is what they look like. Just a white pump. I feel like everyone needs it. Yeah, this is cute. These jeans are really baggy. Oh my god, I'm actually obsessed. You should definitely get these.
Should I put these up now or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's cute, Andy.
Holy shits, those are nice.
Do you like them?
Yeah, you should wear those.
Yeah.
Not the other one.
The other ones are just too extreme for, I think, to be in the house. Like, it's a house party. I don't think I need to be wearing, like, 7-inch heels.
Yeah.
So happy I bought these. I almost didn't. And honestly, the price of these, I think they were like $120, which for a pair of heels that are like this quality and like this cute, I feel like is a really good price. Honestly, a good staple to have in your closet. Look at this. Oh, almost just fell.
I'm working.
His grimy feet are on the counter.
These are clean socks.
Okay, I'm gonna try this pair on now and hopefully they're cute too and they fit. These you should be able to see the ankle strap. I feel like that's the vibe of it.
100%.
Like, don't wear these with
It should
jeans.
be like a dress that goes to what do you call it, a midi?
Yeah, like this. Like the shoes are
like,
the moment.
Or like one of the dresses that goes like here.
Comment down below, is this giving frat house? Honestly, it's gonna be posted before the party so you can tell us. I think we're gonna, you can't really tell when the lights are off, honestly, that you can like see the green light strand, but I think we're gonna position it so that it looks more like those lights up there so that you can't see the wire. And it's kind of cute, like for the party. I think it's giving frat house. We thought maybe it was in the beginning, but
I think it is.
you think it is?
Giving frat.
And then Andy had the wild idea. Should I tell them yet or should I save it for the party?
You can save it.
Although actually they'll see us setting up, so I'll just save the idea for tomorrow so you guys have to come back and see what Andy's wild idea was. We have so much fun with our friends and some people are coming into town to see you. Yeah. I forgot to open this up earlier today. It's the Revolve Beauty Advent Calendar. I'm so excited to start this. Obviously it's Vlogmas Day 1, so I'm gonna open up Day 1. Here is the Advent Calendar when you open it. This is so fun. Oh my gosh. Okay. Happy Vlogmas Day 1, you guys. Next time I'm gonna open these obviously like at the beginning of the videos, I think, so that you can like see what it is right away. Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. This is the first product. I use this brand for dry shampoo. It smells really good. I could smell it literally when I opened the package. And it's like shut. That's funny. It's a clean brand, which is why I also bought this. I think everything in here is clean beauty, which I just love. I could be wrong, but I think it is. I'll take this in the shower next time I shower and use this mask and let you guys know how I like it. But this brand is really good, so I'm excited to try this. Oh my god, it's so fun! First Vlogmas Advent Calendar is done. Wow. Day 1 of 25. Okay, the lights are off and Andy's restarting. I think this is a good place to end Vlogmas day 1, honestly. A long day of just getting ready for our guests, getting ready for the party. This is year 2 of the annual Christmas party, and we're going all out. Andy's determined to make it 100 times better than it was last year, so it will be 100 times better because Andy does anything he sets his mind to.
Thanks.
And gets it done and is over and beyond. So I'm excited for you guys to see the house. Honestly, I'm excited to see the house because we've got a lot that we wanted to do in the next day and a half. Can't believe it's December. I can't believe we're already here and it's Christmas. It's really, really fun and exciting time. So we're gonna sign off so I can help Andy and he doesn't fall off the counter.
Bye.
We'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 2. Good night.